Here's a series of exercises that I call the dead bug exercises. They can be done on a table, they can be done on a floor, they can even be done on a nice firm mattress. But again, the main goal of this is to get started with a low back program that'll help stabilize the low back and the abdominal area. All right, I'm going to teach you 3 exercises today to help the core stability and help with low back pain. The first exercise is what I call the pelvic tilt. The most important thing with a pelvic tilt starts with what I call flattening the low back. In order to flatten the low back, we're just going to push the back down into the table. When you do that, you're going to notice your abdominals tighten. Okay? Again, what we have to do, the first thing, we have to flatten the low back, which automatically tightens the abdominals. With this exercise, we're going to try to hold your back flat for 60 seconds. What I'd like for you to do while you're doing that is try to be able to breathe. And again, it's an isometric contraction of the abdominal muscles. Our goal here is to hold it for 60 seconds. If you start to fatigue, what I want you to do is just relax, okay? And then you're going to start over again. Again, we're going to flatten the low back down into the table, okay? You can put your hand back here and give you some pressure. It automatically tightens your abdominals. And again, you're going to hold it for 60 seconds. What people try to do here is they try to fight it, and they really try to tighten their abdominals too much. And again, all we're trying to do is keep the low back flat, which automatically tightens the abdominals. The second exercise of the dead bugs is what I call marching. Again, the most important phase of this is, again, the posterior pelvic tilt. And in order to do that, we're going to flatten the low back, automatically tightens the stomach. The second exercise, we're going to raise our arms, which makes it a little bit more difficult to keep our low back flat. What we're going to do is we're going to march in place. We're going to lift one leg, the other. The important thing with this, we're going to keep our back flat, and we're going to alternate legs. What happens here is people want to tend to scissor their legs. We don't want to do that. Again, we want to lift one leg, bring it down, lift the other, bring it down. I'd like to see you here do a total of 60 repetitions, which again means it's about a minute. Our third exercise is what I call the extensions. Again, we're going to start with a pelvic tilt, low back flat, abdominals tight. We're going to extend our arms, which again makes the exercise a little bit more difficult. What we're doing now is we're going to straighten, we're going to lower the leg to about 1 inch from the table, and we're going to return. Lower the leg and return. The goal with this is, why we're doing this, is keeping our back flat, our stomach tight. Back flat, stomach tight. We're going to repeat this for about 60 times. And once you're there, you've mastered the first set of our dead bug exercises. If you'd like more information in regards to low back pain or how to progress with this, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-348-8500.